Hello, in this video we're going to have a look at one of Xdebug's newer features in combination with VS Code. Let's have a look at what I'm trying to do here. In the bottom of my screen here I have a long-running script that listens to an MQTT broker. Anytime something happens, it sends a message. The way how that works is that you connect to the server here, you subscribe to an entity, and then every time a message shows up, it does something with it. In this case, I'm just displaying it. Now, how would I debug this? This script is already running and I can't really interrupt it because if I use Xdebug listen for connections, then it will only wait for new incoming connections, which isn't what I'm doing here. By putting Xdebug in listen mode and setting a breakpoint here, still nothing happens obviously because, again, the script isn't starting and hence it isn't trying to make a connection and hence VS Code can't set breakpoints. But there's a way of doing that now. In order to do that, I run a specific command which is pause. So this is the PHP debug pause process and then it says Xdebug control socket behind it. Now when I now click this, it pops up all the PHP processes that are running, including how much memory is being used. And when I now click on it, it will try to talk to this PHP script out of band to see what's going on. So let me click on this. And then we need to wait until the next message shows up. You might have already noticed that the breakpoint jumped to a few lines further because Xdebug has realized it doesn't actually have a breakpoint on line 17. Now the message has come in, I can inspect all the variables inside that, including the merge wildcards and so on and so on. I can do steps as well, but in this case I just want to continue running. While it is running, when the next message pops up, I get to debug this again. Now if I remove the breakpoint and continue running, this means that Xdebug is now in a wait for new breakpoints situation. But new breakpoint can't be set, right? Because again, the script is running, and as long as it's running and there's no breakpoint, you can't set all the breakpoints. So although I can click a breakpoint here, nothing really happens here because Xdebug can't do anything with that. Again, I can run a pause command, but I've also attached a key combination to that, which is in my case Ctrl-Shift-11. So if I press that now, it should again instruct through the control socket to connect to the ID. It is still listening, so we should be good with that. Again, I have to click the right script, and it indeed stops immediately. I don't want to stop it here, so I'll just press run, and then it stops exactly at the breakpoint where I want it to. So if Xdebug is already connected to the IDE, doing the pause command will instantly stop at the exact line where it's already stopped, not on the next breakpoint. I'm running again, so waiting for the next one. So let me try this one more time. I'm still running the script, I've set a breakpoint, and I'll press my key combination to make it wait. Find the right script. And here we go. Again, I can see what's going on here. When I now remove the breakpoint, I can continue running the script like nothing else happened, but instead of going for stop, I'm going to disconnect, which will then continue the rest of the script. I hope you find this new feature useful while debugging your long-running scripts. In the future, I will also be talking more about what I'm doing with MQTT on my blog. The link is here below. There will also be an RSS feed of this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.